We begin with a primetime news follow-up. A taxi operator has been charged with murder following the mob killing of 62-year-old Chieftain Campbell in Mandeville, Manchester last month. He's been identified as Orlando Powell. Mr. Powell was offered bail in the sum of $500,000 when he appeared in the Manchester Parish Court today. Now, the head of the Manchester Police, Lloyd Darby, provided details in an interview with journalists today.
Postmortem was held and determined the result of the postmortem. Pathologists said that Mr. Chieftain Campbell died from blunt force trauma. As a result, we took into custody one individual who we had camera footage as being involved.
Now, Mr. Campbell was walking in Mandeville Square on May 6 when he was attacked by the mob who mistook him for a robber.